Let's see the world, both far and nigh. In China, dragons dance so bright. Red lanterns glow in the night. In Japan, cherry blossoms fall. Mount Fuji stands so proud and tall. In India, the colors shine. Spices, music, food divine. In Egypt, pyramids touch the sky. Camels walk as sands drift by. In France, the Eiffel Tower stands. Croissants are baked by loving hands. In Italy, pizza, pasta too. Gondolas sail in waters blue. In Brazil, the samba fills the street. Carnival brings a dancing beat. In Mexico, sombreros wide. Tacos, fiesta side by side. In Kenya, lions roar with pride. Safari jeeps go for a ride. In Australia, kangaroos hop high. Koalas climb beneath the sky. In America, tall cities glow. Statue of Liberty waves hello. In England, castles old and grand. The Big Ben clock ticks through the land. So many places near and far. Each one shines like a little star. The world is big with wonders new, and every land has dreams for you.